Hi, welcome to eSpares, the channel that specialises in appliance repairs where we help you to fix it yourself. I'm Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the door handle on a Zanussi washer dryer if it's damaged or broken. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Let's take a look. Safety first, always remember to switch off and unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To replace the door handle on a Zanussi washer dryer, you'll need a flathead screwdriver, a Torx T20 screwdriver, and an 8mm socket set. And of course, you will also need a new door handle, and we'll include a link to where you can buy one of these in the description below. Now for this fix, there's no need to take the appliance out from underneath the countertop. To remove and replace the door handle, you first need to remove and disassemble the door. Now to take the door off the appliance, you need to undo the two bolts that hold it in place using your 8mm socket set. With the door removed from the washer dryer, you need to lay it down on a flat surface and then undo all the Torx T20 screws that hold the inner door to the outer door. With all the screws removed, next grab your flathead screwdriver and very carefully and gently prise the two pieces of the door away from each other. You may have to use two flat-headed screwdrivers for this. With the two door pieces prised apart, I've carefully moved the inner and the door glass to one side, and now you can see the back of the door handle and the striker, the spring and the bar that keeps it all together in place. Now what I'm going to do is take a photograph of this setup so that when I take it apart I know how to put it back together. And then you can just lift the assembly out and push it a little into the door, which gives you the freedom to push the bar through, which releases the striker and the spring. When searching for a new door handle on the eSpares website, you're going to need your washer dryer's make and model number. This will ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your appliance, don't worry. Check out our video here on how to find the model number on a washer dryer. That'll tell you everything you need to know. To fit your new handle, simply feed it through into position on the outer door, and then using my photo as a reference, I'm going to reverse the process I did when taking it out. So I'm going to put the spring in, the larger of the two springs in first, into position, and then partially put the retaining pin in place so that when I put the striker and the striker spring in position, I can then simply push it through. Once it's all been assembled, you can then mount the door handle correctly on the outer door. Once you're happy that the door handle and the spring and striker assembly are in place, you can then go ahead and put together the inner and outer door. Now do be careful with the inner door glass when turning upside down. Once you're happy that the inner and outer door are aligned, you can then apply a bit of pressure to help crack the two pieces back together again. Once they're together, you can then refit the screws. With the door all back together, I can now reattach it to the washer dryer. To refit the door and the hinge, just line up the two hinge pegs with the holes in the washer dryer and then push down. Once you're happy it's in place, use your socket set to refit the bolts. So there we have it, how to replace the door handle on a Zanussi washer dryer. Now, if you find that in the future your door is stuck shut instead, we can help with that too. Check out our video here on how to release a stuck washing machine door that'll tell you everything you need to know. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, repair guides, maintenance advice, energy saving tips, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.